Hey guys, this is Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to this channel. If you're new here, please check out my videos, and if you do like any of them, please subscribe below. And if you've been here before, welcome back guys. I truly appreciate you guys. Today I won't be talking about my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, which I have coined Hardshell Taco. I'm actually going to be talking about something else. And the something else is this water bottle by Larq. And you saw the picture description of this video, I am not kidding, this is a $95 bottle. And you're probably thinking, dude, it's 95 bucks, man, what's up with that? So what's the thing about the Larq bottle?
Because it self-cleans without getting smelly. If you have an emergency, you can use it for rivers.
Right, we could use tap water, or if need be, get water from rivers or places like he's saying, like places that you maybe shouldn't be drinking water ideally. How do you use this, Jesse?
You just fill it up with water and push the button.
Okay, so you just push the button and it does it for what?
It does it for, when you push the button once, it does it for 60 seconds.
This cap here actually is rechargeable, USB rechargeable, but what it does, it actually sends UV light into the liquid, so that way it kills all the germs, and that's why it's self-cleaning. Self-cleaning mode keeps this water smelling fresh and clean all the time, so you don't have to wash the bottle unless you're putting other liquids besides water. Also, it can hold cold water for 24 hours, keep it cold for 24 hours, and keep warm liquids for 12 hours. Every 2 hours, it actually goes into another cleaning mode, so it continuously keeps it cleaning. So that's what is really cool about this bottle, and that's why it's 95 freaking dollars. And also, it helps recycle. You're being environmental friendly because you're not tossing these plastic bottles away. So let me flip it around. We'll demonstrate a little bit. So again, this is the Kirkland water. They add minerals. This one happens to be 50% recycled, but it's still environmentally unfriendly. So that's another reason why people get these kind of water bottles. And again, I know it's 95 bucks, but it's the only one that does clean. So let's demonstrate it, Jesse. Let's go ahead and start it up.
Do we open up water?
No, we just push this.
Okay, we're going to push this for 1 second. It will be on for 60 seconds. For 1 minute. So
you can see the little flashy light. When it's this color, it means it's actually doing its job, sanitizing the water. And again, it's 60 seconds worth of it. And then Jesse, what's that adventure mode?
Adventure mode is you press the button 2 times.
And then
it will turn on for like 2-3 minutes or something. Right.
It goes on for an extended period of time. And the reason why is because if you have to get river water or other types of water, that way you're going to get better cleaning and it'll be safer for you to drink. Now, it doesn't mean it cleans the water physically. So if you're getting muddy water in there, don't expect it to be filtered in any manner. Is this going to kill all the nasty germs in there, not the nasty substances or materials in there. So just remember that. It's nothing to do with it. So Jesse just told me it stopped. So let's give it a try. So Jesse, you want to try this water? This is just the tap water.
Yeah, so we'll try that out. Oh, it's good.
It's really good?
Really good.
All right, well, you can try this Costco Kirkland water and compare it for us. That's a fresh bottle of water or sealed.
Well. Oh, it tastes almost the same.
So they taste similar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but what happens is that we just got the tap water, spent $0 on that. This one I spent for a case, and it does add up. So if I'm going to drink so many bottles of water a day, this will actually be a savings. So as you can see, Jesse likes it, and trust me, he is a picky boy. Really picky. So if he likes that water, you guys will like that water. So if you're interested in this product, please check the link in my description. And if you have any questions or comments, please post below. Peace out, guys.